Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be fidget trading with my brother. I'm a noob. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so I will trade you my infinity cube for a snapper.
I'll trade you the snapper, the infinity cube, monkey noodle. Actually, take back this. And the fidget spinner for your pop tube.
For my pop tube? Yeah, I'll give it to you for my pop tube. Deal.
Alright.
Okay, I'll trade you my eagle for your poppet and an orange magnet wing.
No deal.
No deal?
The final deal is going to be on me. So I want to trade the green wacky track for anything you got.
For anything I've got?
Like the Mickey Mouse.
Add one more thing, I'll give you the Mickey Mouse.
What?
Add the infinity cube and I'll give you the Mickey Mouse.
And you have to get, if you're gonna do that, I'm gonna have the monkey rope. I need to have the monkey rope.
Alright, monkey rope and simple dimple.
For the what?
For the orange magnet wing.
Orange? Can I do green? Green on green?
Sure. I'll allow that.
Alright. Thank you.
Okay. So we finished the fidget trading, and now I have my eagle poppet, my wacky truck, my 2 magnet wings, my 2 infinity cubes, my snapper, and my fidget spinner. What did you end up with?
I end up with a rainbow puppet, orange magnet ring, a Mickey Mouse puppet, or a dimple, a monkey rope, infinity cube, two
something.
marble mashes, and one wacky track, a pop tube, and that's about it.
And a snapper.
Oh yeah, snapper.
So now we both have snappers. Like the video. If we get 10 likes, then we'll do another fidget trading. And see you in the next video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.